Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make what you see on the screen here, a highlighter with the blurred outer perimeter where you want to highlight something but not show what the surroundings. We'll go ahead to Fusion, get started. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. We are going to save a macro at the end and I'm going to show you how to track it in Fusion. And I'll show you how to track it up on the edit page as well by keyframing it. We can go to one viewer for this. With the media in selected, shift space and tracker. I think everybody pretty much knows how to track. Grab this little square up here. Try to pick a high contrast area. We'll hook it onto a bag. We are in the middle of the timeline, so we have to track both ways. Okay, we're done tracking. Select the media in. Add a blur. And a merge. Let's get a background. Plug it into the merge. Make the background white. Then grab an ellipse. We want to plug it into the blur and the merge. And select the ellipse. And select invert. Then go to the merge. We'll bring the blend down about halfway. Then go to the blur. And these are only going to be the default settings. You'll have all these controls in the macro. We'll go 25 on the blur size. Back to the merge. Let's take it down to about 0.3 or to your liking. Back to the ellipse. Let's make an expression and connect the width to the height. Right click, expression. Grab the little plus sign and take the pick whip over to the height and let go. And we want to make it oval, so divide it by 2. And now if you just move the height, it'll stay symmetrical like that. Okay, now we want to connect it to our tracker. Right click on the center. Connect to tracker position. Now you'll see it went right to the tracker on her. And we'll go ahead and animate it here, and then we'll save the preset, but we'll have to delete these tracker points and stuff. I'm going to set a keyframe on the size. And take the playhead to the end. Not that they have to do that, but I just want to show you can. See how it looks? Okay, we'll go ahead and make the macro. Delete the tracker. And select the ellipse. Double click on the center. Right click on the width. And remove expression. Double click on the height. Get rid of the keyframe. I'm going to set the width and the height to 0.25 for the default settings. There we go. Highlight all the center ones. Do not include the media in or the media out. Right click on any one of them. Go to macros. Create macro. Give it a name. And follow along. Merge. Blur. Put blur in front of blend. Go to File. Save as group. It takes you to macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates. Edit. And this is an effect, so we'll go there. Here is where you're going to want to make your folder to put your preset in. Once again, don't name it exactly the same, or Resolve won't recognize it, so make it a little bit different. And save. If you can't find it, you may have to restart Resolve. Okay, we'll go ahead and make it follower here. Make sure the playhead's at the beginning. I'll show you how to connect the width and height up here. Right click on the width, select down in Fusion. Expression. But this time you can't use a pick whip to connect it to. So to delete what's in the box, we're going to connect it to the height. So type that in and then divide it by 2. And I'll go over some of the controls. You have soft edge if you want. Size. Angle. Blend. Blur. And the other blend. Okay, we'll go ahead and keyframe this. Again, make sure your playhead's at the beginning of your clip. Line it up with her. I'm going to do the size just to show you. We'll make it get smaller as she walks away. Keyframe the center and the height. Advance your playhead a little bit until she starts to move from the center. And just use your center X and Y to keep it center. Like I say, just keep advancing it and keep the subject center. Okay, now we'll do the size. Grab the wrong one there. The width at first. I meant to grab the height. Let it render out. We'll give it a play. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.